So in this video, I want to show you how to clean all of the sensors on Lenovo E2 Pro. To do this, first you will need to grab some cloth sheet, like I have one right here, and then I'm also gonna use some glass cleaner, just spray it on the sheet, and then spread it out so it's not in one area like this. Then we need to find all of the sensors, and the first one is right here. We're gonna just swipe it around and then dry it out. Now we can move to the rest of the sensors. There's one on the left and one on the right, and then 3 more at the back side of our robot. One right there, another one in front, and the last one on the left. And here we have it, our sensors are clean. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.